Hello?
Hello.
Yes. Hello?
Hello, nakupata.
I'm asking you,
Yes.
because you've listed a number of rallies
Yes.
that you have not been paid.
Mm-hmm.
Who was the first person to call you for the first rally? Or who calls you for this number of rallies? Who have you been dealing with?
The first rally,
Mm.
I was not called. Yega rally. Rally ya Ragumo
Mm.
nilienda kulingana na ile story ilitoka Siaya. But leader crime kwa DJ. Unasikiza. So I went for Ragumo rally voluntarily.
So you
Like
volunteered for
nilienda
Rangumu rally.
for Ragumo rally. So after hiyo show, my friends who linked me with G-Code,
So G-Code is the one you've been dealing with.
Yes, I've been dealing with for the last two for the first 3 rallies. Rally ya Ragumo hiyo ya Migori na mali sasa shida ilikuja ikatokea ni SDC Nairobi.
SDC Nairobi.
Yes.
There's something I'm asking you that you're not telling me right. Okay?
Yes.
You see, if I'm going to MC an event today,
yes,
okay, somebody will call me and tell me, Jalas, a client will call me, come and MC this rally. Okay? And we will have an agreement of how much I'm supposed to be paid. Okay? So I'm trying to ask you something very simple. Who called you for these subsequent rallies and how much did you agree to be paid?
Ragumu rally I was not called, I volunteered, but Migori rally I was called hadi nikatumiwa fare na G-Code.
Okay, G-Code is the one who called you, akakutumia.
Nikaenda. Aya, rally ya Narok nilichukuliwa Kisumu na director.
Director mgani?
Of ODM, Etale.
Etale.
Tukaenda na yeye mpaka Narok. Wakanipea accommodation, nikafanya kazi, nikarudi Kisumu. Hiyo ni rally ya Narok. Unasikiza?
Sasa ulikuwa ulipwe pesa ngapi rally ya Narok?
So, unajua venye nilikuwa nafanya kazi na hao watu, bado nilikuwa like I was still new into this thing. Unanisikiza Jalas? Nilikuwa mpya kwa hii kitu.
Then, if this is what happened, you can't go on social media blasting people for you not having been paid, when you yourself has not had an agreement with anyone on how much you need to be paid. Sasa ukisema unataka kulipwa, ni pesa ngapi unadai party? Unadai party pesa ngapi?
Jalas, unajua mimi nikisema nataka nilipwe, mimi hata sikuwa nataka nilipwe hizo event zenye zimepita. I was only referring to this event. Unaona event ya Kisumu. Because hata hizo zingine sijaiongeleanga. I have been so silent about all those events from all those days. Lakini yenye sasa ilini hurt. Okay, first I've been calling you from the very last day.
Skia. Number one, I did not contract you. The person who told me that there's a DJ was Honorable Duinyang. True or false?
True.
The DJ that we were supposed to work with, according to my agreement with the governor, was DJ P Scratch. But you came for this rally, okay? And I met you on the day of the rally. Kama tayari unafanya setup. Nikakuuliza, okay, when ndio DJ? Nikakwambia bas endelea. Personally, I thought, kwa sababu umekuwa ukifanya hiki kitu, you already have an agreement with these people. This is the first event that I was doing. Did we agree with you personally that I was going to pay you? Me. I want you to be honest.
So unajua venye tuliongea na Dui, ukaniambia nikuje nifanye sound check, alafu kesho tena nikakuja.
Mimi
Nilikuwa na mambo kwa ground.
niliambiwa kuna DJ mwenye ni wa ODM. Okay? Nikasema we drop P Scratch. P Scratch alikuwa ashatengeneza hadi poster, hadi alikuwa ashasema cost yake. When I was told there's a DJ, that's how we dropped him. I met you hiyo siku ya event, si ndio? Si ndio?
Yes, I'm getting you. Yes.
And how much were you supposed to be paid for this event ya Kisumu? So that I follow up, so that you are paid.
50 Gs.
So who did you tell about this 50K?
Mheshimiwa Jalas, I talked to Adui hadi wewe ndio mwenyewe ukasema nikuje setup, nikuje asubuhi nifanye setup, nikuje kazi.
Sikia. Acha nikwambie.
Am I lying about this?
Kahil, sikia. Mbona unaitwa DJ Pinto Kahil, okay? I've never worked with you before. True or false?
True.
So you've been doing ODM rallies, okay?
Yes.
The DJ that had proposed to be used, that had given, because I did not know about you, okay, was DJ P Scratch. DJ P Scratch made even a poster, but I told him that I've been told that there's a DJ the party always uses. That is when I told Adui that mwambie akuje afanye kazi. Okay? Knowing very well that you already have an agreement with the party. My problem is not you being paid. I want to teach you something. Okay?
Yes.
As an artist, before you do any work, okay?
Yes.
Have a contract. Okay? Know the person you are dealing with, the person who will pay you. And that is the person who must sign your contract. Do not go out there working without a contract, not knowing who will pay you or who you will deal with, in the name of where you are volunteering. When you've said you are volunteering, then you later ask for money, nobody will ever know what you will be paid. You get what I mean? So wacha nikufundishe kitu moja, okay?
Yes.
You are a good DJ, okay? And we'd want to work with you again and again. Ndio rallies zimeanza sahi, okay? Hata rally bado, kazi ndio inakuja hapa mbele, okay? The best thing you would have done would have been to reach out to people like G-Code, because I don't know you. I've even asked your number today. I don't know even if you've been calling me. I don't just pick any random number. I don't know who you are. I've never met you. I met you that first day at the event, okay? So do not blame me for not picking your number. I don't just pick any random number, okay?
Okay. Yes, sir.
So number 2, have a contract with the party, okay? That you are their DJ. Let them confirm you as the official DJ, okay?
Yes.
Number 2, know who you are dealing with and how much you want to be paid. Have it written down. Do not go on any stage. Start working without an agreement, without anybody telling you how much you're being paid. Then you go out on social media saying that unataka haki yako. It is good to be paid when you have worked, okay?
Yes, Mosh.
But don't go out there talking about haki yako when you don't have an agreement. Nobody called you. You decided to volunteer. You have been working. I don't know who paid you the money that you've been saying that you are paid. You have seen, you've written somewhere you are paid 7K sometimes. Who paid you?
G-Code.
Then the right person to talk to is G-Code, who has been contracting you.
But aliniambia ati pesa ya DJ huwa itoki, huwa anani support tu na hiyo kitu kidogo from his own pocket. So ndio maana hata aliachana na mambo ya kunini.
My friend, I'm going to ask for your money, from the party so that you are paid, okay?
Yes.
But don't go out there telling people about haki yako when you didn't have an agreement, you did not know who sent you, you didn't have anyone who you had agreed with, and you did not know even how much you are working for, and nobody knew how much you are working for. I allowed you to get on that stage because I was told you are the new DJ that the party is working with. The DJ that had proposed was DJ P Scratch. He sent his quote, But when I was told that you are there, I had to drop DJ P Scratch. That's why you didn't see that place. And this was because of DJ Nene Honorable Aduinyang. Okay?
Yes, Mosh.
Wacha nifuatilie pesa yako. I see what you that you are paid. Then do not come to any rally until you have an agreement. Okay?
Ni sawa Mosh.